Yeah, 48. Today we are going to assign profit centers which are already made, and these will be default profit centers for these accounts. Some accounts will be managed by central head office. Some will be for south. Some will be for north. This can be done for manufacturing material accounts as well. Here 48 S01 doesn't exist. S O S 001. That's S001. 001. S001, and this is, I believe, KE52. 53 is display, so I'll go to KE52, S001, and activate. Enter, enter. Okay, S001 has been, does not exist. Okay, FS 00, yeah, 48. Create a GL account. This is master data for GL account. 0101, KR48, continue. GL account type balance sheet. 101 is liquid funds account. Cash or bank. Let's say it's bank account outgoing. Outgoing. Control data. Tax category will be posting without taxes allowed. We have recon account types for 4 types whenever we are making a GL account. When we are making an assets recon account for customers or vendors, then we will give those accounts these selections. Open item management, we'll talk about this later. 010. This is an function of 001. Open item management. What is open item? We will discuss this later. Record account assignment. Okay. Field status group will be G001. Post automatically, we know it will have manual. Relevant to cash flow, yes. Save. Enter. Okay, this is your first bank account. 20,000 KR48. What is 20,000? This is a recon account. Field status group is G067. Reconciliation, probably, but control data, USD, valuation group, tax category, all posting without tax allowed. And open item management. No, not open item management. Sort key is 001. Authorization groups is for users who will use this account. Exchange rate difference key, we don't need this right now. Valuation group is for materials. We can give it later. Account, GL account type is balance sheet account. And this will be retained earnings. Earnings. Saved. Okay, this is saved. What else do we need? That's one. 30201. Okay. Non-operating expense 30201 expense accounts. USD tax allowed, open item management, no, 001. Posting date will be the sort key, create interest, field status will be G001. Post automatically, no, this will be another account. 60,000, 60,000. This will be G067 and enter control data. Recon account type for vendors. Sort key 014. Purchase order. Balance sheet account. Account group will be recon accounts. Vendor recon. Vendor recon. Save. This is saved. S1 60200. 60200 will be a copy. I will copy this. Vendor advances. Vendor advances. Vendor advances special GL. Special GL. Save. And this is saved. 8250. Okay, what is 8250? 8250 is zero balance accounts. Okay, this will be equity. Equity. Zero balance clearing, zero balance clearing, save. Oh, clearing accounts. 80250. Oh, okay. Zero balance clearing accounts. Save. Zero balance clearing. 80300. What's 80300? 80300 is tax. Okay, good. Sales tax expense. Sales tax expense. Control data. Tax category input. Posting without tax is not allowed. Okay, and 014. Purchase order. Okay, because vendor and taxes will be same. G001. Post automatically. Yes, it will calculate. Save. 80330. 80330 withholding tax. Okay. 80330 Withholding tax waiver, waiver, control data control, open item management 014, without tax, no, create bank interest, post automatically, almost yes. Okay, so what are field status groups? Field status groups are categories of account heads. We are looking for tax office clearing accounts. Okay, see, we're only for balance sheet accounts. Okay, okay. Yes. Balance sheet, open item, save, and it is saved. And this is done. On request, Control F, KR48. Enter. And this is done. Now, document splitting and profit center, default profit centers are done. Now we can move to creating front end activity, that is entries. Okay. Front end activity is accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, document entry. Enter GL account. This is FB50. FB50 is the transaction code, date 17, and our company code is 1146. We'll change the company code KR48 and it will change to USD. Okay. So 200 will be the first entry. 30201 debit $200 star 10101 credit, and the salt key actually populates this field assignment. So we are filling it manually, but for now 200 value date is for fields for accounts related to banks, reconciliation, checks, 200. You have other fields as well, company code, trading partner number. Trading partner number is extracted from GL account master data. There is a field. Okay. Then we have business area. We don't configure that. We have cost centers. Yes. We have financial budget. No, we are not doing this right now. Okay. So we have profit center. Yes, it will auto-populate the profit center. Purchase organization. Yes. Purchasing document, plant. Yeah, 48. KR48. Enter. Number range is missing for 2023. Okay. No worries. We go to that screen. Copy to company code. Enter. Fiscal year 2023 company code DE01. This is sample SAP company code KR48. Execute. No number is for shall copy the company code. Enter. Fiscal year 2023. Company code to okay, KR48. Execute. Yes. Interval added. Okay. Enter. Oh, tolerance. Fund tolerance for employees in a tolerant group for employees are limits to raise sales or discounts for customers and taking discount for vendors. Company code KR48. Amount per document that an employee can enter maximum is this per amount per open item can be this and 3% is maximum discount that you can avail. Save. Save. So an employee can only put this much amount on a document and post it. And open item processing can only be done up till 300,000. These are controls to prevent leakages. Okay. I hope this is all clear. I'm going a little bit fast, but that's necessary. Enter. Entry is not permitted. Okay, entry is not permitted. Okay, we are good. Post. Okay, your first document was posted 100 document, more document, and display. Okay, this is how we post document. Our profit centers were extracted automatically. We did not do it. Okay, we did not mention it because default profit centers were working at the end, back end. Okay, this is one transaction. Your next assignment is that you try all of the transactions that are given over here and tell us the difference. Make a video of that. Okay.